a warning about strong rain, as the storm Mathis brought strong wind and showers to some parts of the United Kingdom. It is expected that the storm will fall on the southern coast, which can lead to damage to buildings. The wind is up to 100 miles per hour, as well as with heavy rain. Low pressure can also provoke sudden floods, which will entail a warning of the British Meteorological Bureau for Wales and southwestern England. The representative of the Meteorological Bureau said, "It is expected that the deep low pressure area will move east through the southern part of the United Kingdom in the evening and in the morning, bringing with it the periods of a strong southern wind, then a lull followed by a strong western or northwest wind. It is likely that in the coastal areas there will be impulses at a speed of 50 or 60 miles per hour, with a low probability of 100 miles per hour above open hills and caves, while the wind will probably reach the maximum after it turns west or northwest.